Hi everyone, if you have been using the Qwen app and wondering on how to archive all of the chats on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to archive all chat in Qwen app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Qwen app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now to archive chats, you need to start a new chat first of all. Now tap onto the chat button and ask or generate anything that you want to generate. Just like this. And now you can see the app has generated the given command. Now to archive it, simply tap onto the back button at the top left corner, just right here. Then you don't need to do anything because the chat has already been archived. Now to see it, simply tap onto the time-like button at the top right corner, just right here. And now here you can find the same chat that I have did with the Qwen app. And you can also find all of the chats that I have did before. Now you don't need to worry about anything, you just need to start a new chat and just keep on doing new chats. And the chat will be archived on itself. And that's it. This is how you can archive all chat in the Qwen app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.